you just like put this liquid on their tooth, then you get this, and then you just stick it in there, but it doesn't really hurt. It just feels like you have a fat lip.
Which was better, being numb or not numb?
Numb.
There's some people that are going to go on the website and they've never been numbed with this before, okay? And they're afraid of having a shot. But I use this to give you a shot. Do you remember that?
Do you remember when he numbed you? Do you remember when he numbed your mouth?
You went to sleep.
Okay, that's what he used it for.
First I put some jelly there, and then I used this, and it made your tooth go to sleep, and you felt like you had a fat lip. Do you remember that? Having a fat lip?
Yes, sir.
So when I did that hurt?
No, sir.
That's what's special about this machine.
What makes you go to sleep?
There's a liquid in here that makes it go to sleep. And it has a real tiny needle. Other needles are bigger than this one. And it also controls the liquid coming through there.
Oh.
So it didn't hurt you. You know what? I remember I gave you 2 shots and I asked you how many and you didn't know. You remember that?
No.
No. I guess it didn't hurt then, huh?
I like Dr. Noman.